Are you guys still having fun? Can I hear the energy one more time? Thank you for singing that song with us. Actually, every time we perform that, we really we feel everyone's energy, we feel everyone's vibe for the day. But we want to thank everyone who's here tonight for spending the rest of the night with us. This night is very special for us since this is our first time to perform here, and we're very happy that we're here, of course, and with our team, with W3 and the Bumonzi family, we're very happy to perform here, and we hope that you're very happy to see us too. Thank you so much, and yeah, please do enjoy the rest of the performance, okay? No, thank you. We love you guys so much, and again, thank you so much. And yeah, I think. Oh, do you want to say something?
Something.
You want to say what?
What? No, we're just very thankful that all of you are singing, and you guys showed us how to actually enjoy this night with you. And we are enjoying our time here, and we are just grateful to everyone for putting the lights up and non-stop actually doing our request. Thank you. I hope you guys are not tired yet. No? Because we are. No, I'm just kidding. Of course for you, for everyone of you, and we'll never get tired. But for now, we just want to dedicate this night and this section to all of the parents here. Maybe you know this song, right? Gusto ko marinig muna sa inyo. Pwede niyo bang kantahin for us?
You guys know the lyrics? You guys know the lyrics?
Ano, isa-isa? Ano isa-isa?
Huh?
Buti tayo bukas.
Do you know the lyrics of Mapa? Indonesian version? you don't the verse? What? Can you sing Mapa? Is it okay? The Indonesian one? No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, can we hear Mapa chorus in 3, 2, 1, go? Pahinga muna.
Galing, galing. Thank you so much, 18. Kami na lang yung manonood. Kayo na lang yung mag-concert, please.
Thank you so much, 18. And because Justin's here already, I think we can continue with our performance. Justin, you want to introduce the next song?
Yes, for our next song. It's hard for me to speak. Okay. For our next song, actually, this is exactly for Sydney, because our parents, they raise us. So just like you, just like a plant.
Just like what?
We're like plants.
Plants, okay.
Yes. They raise us, they plant us, and then they help us grow.
Okay.
So you, Sydney, Tita Maylene.
Okay,
Kaya siya pumunta ng backstage, nag-isip siya ng joke. Okay, so I hope guys, our next song is for all the parents and the guardians here. So this one's for you. This one's called Mapa.
Okay.
La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara.
ng